Neck pain, headaches, jaw popping, and ringing of the ears. It can be so frustrating, especially if you don't know what's causing it. If you suffer from any of these symptoms, you may have TMJ. Dr. Becky Coats, aka Dr. Jaw Dropper with TMJ Plus, is here to help you find long-term pain relief. Hello, Dr. Jaw Dropper. Jaw Dropper. Yeah, say that 3 times fast. Nice
I know.
here.
Thanks for having me here.
Okay, a lot of people might be going through some of these symptoms. I mentioned a few, but let us know what we might be feeling if we have TMJ.
Well, most people with TMJ go first to the classic, oh, my jaw pops, and they're pointing right to here, and so they get that. And it might have been something that was embarrassing if they were like at a lunch meeting and their jaws like sort of like making a cracking noise. But there's other symptoms really that people haven't really connected the dots yet, which can be like pain in the face. So they're holding their jaw like this all the time or rubbing it. Or it can even be like headaches that come from the side or go through your back of your head, or even go into neck pain right through here. So the longer that these symptoms go on, they can actually turn into changes in posture and even ringing of the ears, and on the worst case, maybe their jaw gets stuck. So that can make them feel really anxious because you can't even bite down to eat a sandwich.
Right. This is terrible. It sounds very, very painful, but you mentioned your posture. So how does your posture affect this?
Right, so everything's connected, from your neck and your TMJ and your jaw and your teeth. So basically, if over time our posture changes, either how we grow, or nowadays we're on our mobile devices all the time, we're on laptops. So over time, our posture, if our neck bones change, basically the jaw joint can change, and then the teeth bite. Or most people say, oh, I clench and grind my teeth. And what they haven't really associated is that the neck and the jaw and the teeth, how they fit together, if they're out of balance, that's what's causing the TMJ over time.
Good to know. It makes me want to sit up straight just like this.
Right.
Now, why are you so passionate about helping others who might be suffering this pain?
Right, so I think that if anybody's gone through their own personal pain journey, because I've been this patient, so I can relate. And so my passion is helping those so they don't have to go through that. It started for me when I was a teenager and would have headaches, and then I was an athlete, and then I had different injuries, and so then I started having basically headaches where I couldn't focus in school and I couldn't sleep very well. So basically how to fix myself is what went into this journey with my advanced education. It was what really sets me apart in this field. And so basically I just don't want anybody to have to go through what I went through.
Yeah, and you can truly empathize for what they're going through also.
I can empathize, and I think that a lot of people that have the same kind of problem, they're going from specialist to specialist and they're frustrated and they basically want someone to get them.
To find a solution. What possible
Right.
solutions can you have for people who might be going through this?
Right, so if you're in pain, I encourage you to call my office today. I can help you that day, so it doesn't have to be a pill or medication. Basically, I focus on the long-term solution. So it's basically so the same problem doesn't keep repeating over and over.
And you have a special offer for viewers?
I do have a special offer for viewers. If you call in and mention that you watch the show, we'll be able to help you in your first exam, in your first x-ray called a cone beam CT.
Okay, just mention Good Morning Texas, and then you can take advantage of that. Thank you, Dr. Jaw Dropper. Also, Dr. Becky Coats. You can visit Dr. Becky Coats at TMJ Plus Wellness Center in Grapevine. Here's that number. Take advantage of this special offer. It's 817-481-6888. You can also go to drjawdropper.com for more information and to subscribe to her YouTube channel while you're there. Thank you.